parade, and they love Heineken. On top of the car with the cooler. Man, that's mad dedication. Don't know what holiday it is. Back and forth. I don't know. Alright, we're heading to Alum Rock Park with the nephew and my sister. Somebody's excited. Devin, say cheese. Oh, so Alum Rock, you just take the road straight down. I never knew that. If you go to Sierra Drive, is next to Alum Rock. What are we doing, Devin? Devin, cheese? Again? Okay, I got you, boy. Devin, I think your eardrum gonna pop, boy.
Look, outside, look.
Oh yeah, I almost came here late at night. I was like, forget it. Again, like 2 midnight, man. Couldn't come out. That's it.
Come out.
I mean, 2 midnight. It was pitch black.
That's all I
For what? So L is you're driving slow.
Oh.
So the D is if you're like, you know, highway speed. The L, like, you know, like you stuck in traffic, you just put on the L, it saves you gas. Some people don't know that. I got it too. I thought it was like a playground or something. Think we good?
Sit down, sit down.
Put your seatbelt on, man.
Hurry, hurry.
Okay.
Come on, put the top back. Hurry up.
You got on, Devin? Okay, look. Yeah, now you gotta see Horsey, boy. Oh yeah. Push, push. Hello.
Say hi, Devin.
And can actually see.
Get my other phone, turn on the music.
Yeah, but then you have to connect it to the fan. So Bluetooth. Unplug it. That's it. Oh, that's it. It's simple. You going, Devin? Devin. Get there, you take Mission Boulevard and then you go straight. You see Stanford on the right lane. Now just go straight. You see Stanford Road, you make a right, and that's it.
You see, I don't drive, I only sit down.
Yeah.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Stanford Avenue.
Is that light? I think it's that light.
Say right?
Yeah, it should say Stanford. Does it say Stanford? Yeah, make a right. I don't think this is the right road. I'm not sure. Yeah, let's cruise around.
In 500 feet, make a U-turn at Kootenai Drive. Make a U-turn at Kootenai Drive.
So what's the next one? Oh, it's up to you. You should call him like, hey, where you at? Let's go to the Golden Gate.
Hello? Hello? You come home now? No, đã. No, chứ ngay, no, chết đã. You come home or what? Bong man chanh. No, mà Devin try around. Bay nè, baby. Cô linh kê chứ đi tao say your bridge. Yeah.
We take Devin to Golden Gate, I guess.
Yeah, you have to go phong nè, con ở Đạ Lai.
She knows how to use it now, huh?
Yeah, I go home now. Okay.
She knows technology.
Stop there, hey, okay?
Alright, we're gonna
Bye.
make a U-turn, go home, probably go to the Golden Gate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right here. See, it says San Jose. So it's gonna be a 16-minute drive to go back with no traffic.
In 1,000 feet, merge onto I-680 North.
Okay, 680 North to McKee, 16-minute drive. What do you think, Devin? You excited to go home?
Go pick Grandpa up, okay?
Then we're gonna pick up Uncle Grandpa and then we're gonna head up to Golden Gate. Hotel, we went the wrong way.
Wrong way.
Continue on I-680 South for 7 miles.
We go to Mountain House, look at the houses again.
But wait for help.
Bug. Not like forget it, I go back to work. You still alive? Man. Almost home, Devin. Pick up Uncle Grandpa and then make a U-turn back on the road. Yeah. He ate like 7 bags of chips.
Evan.
Now he's gonna eat his fingers.
Bằng ice.
Now, when you're done with the Facebook Live, you can either save the video or just post it on your Facebook. You save it, I think it's like, man, that's a lot of gig. Could we record it like, what, an hour?
Save it or leave it?
Well, how many gig? I think you have 256. Should be enough.
256, but if you connect to my old phone, the one 10 bucks.
No,
But they say it's full.
yeah, I mean, if it's full, it's just not gonna save the other half.
And if I save it, but he's doing.
Yeah. Look, Devin, this is the park I go to almost every morning.